Presenting DigiPos, an initiative of HDFC Bank Smart Hub Payment Solutions. A regular POS terminal accepts only card-based payments. HDFC Bank's DigiPos can accept 6 additional modes of payments. Introducing the first digital payment mode, Bharat QR. Customers can scan and pay through cards using their smartphone. Merchant selects Bharat QR option, enters the transaction amount. The terminal displays a dynamic QR code with merchant and transaction details. Customer logs into any bank app that supports Bharat QR. Uses scan and pay option and the transaction details get displayed on the phone. Customer confirms the transaction, selects the linked card and approves payment. Payment success is displayed on the screen confirming the payment. Charge slip for the transaction is generated on the terminal. The next digital payment mode is UPI. Customers can scan and pay directly through their bank account. Merchant selects UPI QR, enters the transaction amount. The terminal displays a dynamic QR code with merchant and transaction details. Customer logs into any app that supports UPI payment. Uses scan and pay option to scan the UPI QR. The transaction details get displayed on the customer's phone. Customer clicks on pay and enters the UPI PIN to authorize the transaction. Payment success displayed on the customer's app screen. Charge slip for the transaction is generated on the terminal. The next payment mode is SMS Pay, a unique solution that allows merchants to collect payments remotely, like in the case of home deliveries. Merchant selects SMS Pay, enters the transaction amount and the customer's mobile number. The customer receives an SMS notification with a link to make the payment. The customer clicks on the link and completes the payment using any bank's debit card or credit card. The merchant gets a confirmation message on mobile and can also print a chart slip on the terminal. Merchant can also offer customers the option to pay by HDFC Bank Wallet PayZapp. The merchant selects PayZapp Wallet option, enters the customer's mobile number and the transaction amount. The customer gets a notification in their PayZapp wallet. The customer logs into PayZapp and approves payment. Payment success is displayed on the screen confirming the payment. Charge slip for the transaction is generated on the terminal. Customers can convert any high-value transaction on their HDFC Bank debit or credit cards into EMI. Merchant inserts the card into the terminal, enters the amount and submits. DigiPos prompts option for sale or EMI. Merchant selects EMI and the tenure as per customer's confirmation. Customer enters the card PIN and confirms the payment. Charge slip for the transaction is generated on the terminal. HDFC Bank DigiPos. All payments, one machine.